Hello, and this is the day 14 of 60-day English speaking challenge. And you can see my confidence is growing up day by day. And if you are thinking about to be fluent in English, then you can start your journey with me. To subscribe the channel and comment me in the comment section, you can increase my confidence level. So let's start today's vlog because I have taken a challenge. I will be performing day by day better and better version of myself. So that's why I am doing so many effort daily basis. How busy I am, it doesn't matter because I have to speak at least 5 minutes daily. So that's why I am here in this channel. So that's why I have created this channel so I can introduce myself in a better version every day. So you can see I am right now, I am in the kitchen and I am preparing the lunch because it's afternoon 12:30 and it's time for lunch. So that's why my I have completed all the chores and again I'm back to in the kitchen. It's a second shift for me because if you are a homemaker and you have a big family, so I have a big family, so I have to take care of kids as well as kitchen. Simultaneously, I have done so much things to do. So it's a rush, always rush in the kitchen, especially in morning and evening time. So right now, my all kids they have gone to school and I am with my little one. So let's have a look. He's playing. What are you doing? Oh my god. When he's at home, then it's always he's very mischievous boy. So I have to take care of them because at the moment of what he will do, I don't know basically. So I have to complete this like the afternoon lunch. Then I have to back then to Bangkok, some Bangkok. Then my kids will arrive at 1:30. Then I have to feed them, and I have a kettle as well. So I have to like watering the kettle. Then I have to give them to fodder. So this is how I am practicing. So whenever I get time, so I just try to like learn new things because I don't have separate time and avoid the noise because in my neighborhood there is like a work is going on, like some a construction work. So that's why it's very noisy since the morning. So please avoid the noise and continue in the blog. So what I do for learning English, I do reading practice in the morning, then shadowing in the afternoon, and evening I do rapid fire round simultaneously while doing chores. If you are busy, then you can follow my routine because I do everything in the kitchen because I don't have a separate time. So that's why I am doing this thing. I am learning English like thing. And if you do have a tight routine like me, then you can follow my routine. You can learn uh, like a beginner because I don't think so. Okay, I'm a beginner right now. I am in like intermediate level, but I my aim is to be fluent at the end of 2026 because New Year is also around the corner. So let's welcome New Year with new positivity. And so, what are your plans for New Year? Let me know in the comment section. I will try to reply any comment. If I talk about my plan, so my plan is to be fluent and be like a proud mom and a proud homemaker and yeah, of course, a great YouTuber too. So it's not happen when you will not support. So let's support me and you can encourage my in the comment section what do you like in the blog, then I will be try. Thank you.